Perched high above the cliffs of Whale Beach, this extraordinary coastal estate is a statement of design, craftsmanship, and lifestyle, occupying 2 prized parcels of land with commanding views across the Pacific and towards the Central Coast. This architecturally designed residence is as visually striking as it is deeply private. Clad in over 1,000 tons of hand-selected sandstone, the home rises organically from its natural surroundings, framed by towering pines and native gums, creating an immediate sense of arrival. Designed by acclaimed Sydney architect Michael Suttor, the 3-level residence blends contemporary refinement with subtle Italian influences, resulting in a home that feels both grand and effortlessly relaxed. Inside, soaring cathedral ceilings anchor the main living spaces, drawing in light, scale, and ocean views. Every detail has been carefully considered, from European oak basket weave flooring and rich stone finishes, to bespoke brass accents and custom joinery. Interior design by Deanne Ruse enhances the architectural vision, layering warmth, texture, and timeless elegance throughout. 5 luxurious bedrooms with opulent ensuites offer exceptional comfort and privacy, including a breathtaking main suite featuring a handcrafted bath and bespoke finishes. The heart of the home is a world-class kitchen equipped with Sub-Zero and Wolf appliances, seamlessly flowing to multiple terraces designed for entertaining against a backdrop of endless blue horizons. Outdoors, the estate transforms into a private resort. A manicured golf course unfolds towards the ocean, complemented by a heated infinity plunge pool, spa, sauna, gym, and tranquil wellness zone. Landscape gardens by Richard Unsworth and Paul Bengay create a series of immersive outdoor rooms, enhanced by intelligent lighting and smart irrigation. Fully automated and secured by state-of-the-art technology, this home is where luxury meets intelligence, offering absolute comfort, privacy, and control. From sunrise over the sea to sunset over the fairways, this Whale Beach masterpiece is not just a residence, but a once-in-a-generational coastal sanctuary.